Hey, what's up? This is Jason with devslopes.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain and get it set up on DigitalOcean. So the first thing we're going to do is purchase a domain. So I'm coming over here to namecheap.com. This is where I usually buy domains. You can buy them from anywhere like GoDaddy and other places. It doesn't matter. And then what we're going to want to do is search for a domain and see if it's available. So I'll write toocool2code.com. Let's see if it's available. Haha, look at that. I can buy it for 14 bucks, but I'm not going to. So anyways, you'll type in your domain, you'll search for it, and you'll see if it's available or not. And it'll show the price per year over here. Now, you're going to click Add to Cart, and then you're going to go through the checkout process, and you're going to buy it. And I'd recommend don't buy any of the add-ons or special offers or anything that they throw you. We just want a domain, and that's it. So don't fall for any of those tricks. All right, so I've already got an account created with namecheap.com. So I'm just going to log into my dashboard to access my domain. And when you buy a domain, you'll also create an account with whoever you purchased it from. Oh, I never remember my passwords. Thank heavens for Keychain. All right, so here it is. So I bought this right here, eatsleepcode.space. All right, so what we're going to do is we want to add this domain to DigitalOcean first. So I'm going to come over to here. I'm on droplets. I'm going to hit the drop down on more, add domain. All right, and then come over to Namecheap. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to add to droplet. And you can see here that I'm adding this to my test droplet. If I had multiple droplets, it would allow me to choose a list from here. So I'm going to add domain. Perfect. Now the next thing we need to do is down here in DNS records is these three records right here. We need to take these values and add those to the DNS custom settings for the domain that we just purchased. So if you bought this from namecheap.com, you're going to add it to the custom DNS there, or to GoDaddy, or from wherever you purchased it. Now, if you're confused and you're like, oh, but Jason, I didn't use Namecheap, I used GoDaddy or something else, that's okay. Go into the DigitalOcean tutorials, come into the community, go into tutorials, and then I think it's called, if I can spell, name servers. Right here, how to point DigitalOcean name servers from common domain registrars. All right, so you can see that there's GoDaddy, there's Namecheap, there's Gandhi, okay? So you're just going to come to this article if you use something different than Namecheap, how to point the DigitalOcean name servers from common domain registrars, okay? All right, so we need to get these things here. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy the first value of this DNS record here. I'm going to go over to my account in Namecheap, and on the domain that I want to manage, I'm just going to hit manage. So come down here to name servers, and right now it's trying to use Namecheap's basic DNS name servers, and we don't want that. We've got everything set up on DigitalOcean. So we're going to come here and do custom DNS. Now remember, from here, we copied this one, and you'll see it says NS1, NS2, and NS3. The rest of it's all the same. So just copy the first one. Come over here. Paste it. Now I don't know why, but it grabs that little period in there. And then we're going to delete that. And we need to add these three name servers because we have three of them. So just change that to a 2, change that to a 3, and get rid of that period, and hit the check mark. Cool. So that's it. So now we've got everything pointed to our DigitalOcean. So what we did is we purchased a domain on namecheap.com, okay? And then we went into the name servers and chose a custom DNS to point it to our DigitalOcean DNS record here. So that way we have a domain name that points to the server that we want everyone to go to. And if everything works, I should just be able to copy this, cross my fingers, Throw it up here in the browser, and we should get the welcome to Nginx. And there we go. So if you're getting this, that means you have successfully purchased your domain and connected it to point to your DigitalOcean server, to your Droplet. So that's a wrap for this video. Let's move on.